Imagine a car so rare that only 33 examples are being built, so powerful that it can hit 100 kilometers per hour in under 3 seconds, and so beautiful that it looks like it escaped from a racing prototype and landed directly on a mountain road. This is not a concept car from a distant future. This is the Alfa Romeo 33 Stradale, one of the most exclusive and dramatic Italian supercars of the modern era. At first glance, the 33 Stradale looks fast even when it is standing still. The low nose, sculpted bodywork, dramatic headlights, massive side intakes, and flowing rear section aren't just designed to make people stare. Alfa Romeo says virtually every major exterior detail was developed with high-speed aerodynamics in mind. And that becomes even more impressive when you realize this car is a modern interpretation of one of Alfa Romeo's most legendary cars, the original 33 Stradale from 1967. But this new 33 Stradale isn't simply a tribute to history. Underneath that stunning body is serious modern engineering. The petrol-powered version uses a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6 producing more than 620 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission and rear-wheel drive. Later official technical data lists the production specification at around 630 horsepower and 730 newton-meters of torque. And here's where things get crazy. Alfa Romeo says the 33 Stradale can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in less than 3 seconds. Its top speed is 333 kilometers per hour, roughly 207 miles per hour. That puts it firmly into serious supercar territory. But raw speed isn't what makes this car special. The real magic is how Alfa Romeo has tried to combine track car technology with something you can actually drive on the road. The car uses a lightweight carbon fiber monocoque, combined with an aluminum structure, helping create a rigid yet relatively light platform. Official specifications put the curb weight around 1,550 kilograms for a specific production configuration. The suspension is equally serious. The 33 Stradale uses double wishbone suspension with active shock absorbers, designed to give the driver precise control without completely sacrificing road comfort. There's also a front axle lift system, which is an important feature when you're driving a very low supercar over real-world roads. And then there are the brakes. The car is equipped with Brembo carbon ceramic brakes, with 6-piston monoblock calipers at the front and 4-piston calipers at the rear. Alfa Romeo quotes a braking distance from 100 kilometers per hour to 0 of less than 33 meters. That means this isn't simply a car built to go fast in a straight line. It's engineered to slow down, turn and respond with the precision you'd expect from a machine inspired by motorsport. The driver also gets 2 main driving personalities. In Strada, or road mode, the car focuses more on smooth power delivery, comfort, and everyday drivability. But switch into Pista, or track mode, and the personality changes. Power delivery becomes more aggressive. The pedals become more responsive. The suspension becomes firmer. Gear changes become quicker, and the active exhaust system stays open. And yes, the sound matters here. Alfa Romeo has deliberately kept the emotional character of its V6 alive. The twin-turbo engine doesn't just provide numbers on a specification sheet. It provides the mechanical soundtrack that makes a supercar feel alive. But step inside, and the 33 Stradale becomes something completely different. Instead of filling the cabin with screens and distractions, Alfa Romeo has taken a more driver-focused approach. The interior combines premium materials with a cockpit inspired by aviation. There's an aluminum center console, physical controls, and Alfa Romeo's distinctive Canocchiale instrument cluster, which blends analog and digital information. The cabin also pays tribute to the original 1967 car through its distinctive ribbed cannelloni design. Even small details are intended to remind the driver that this isn't just another modern supercar. And then there are the doors. The 33 Stradale uses dramatic butterfly doors that rise upward, turning simply getting into the car into an event. The front and rear body sections also open in a theatrical way, providing access to the luggage and technical areas. But perhaps the biggest story is how rare this car really is. Only 33 examples of the new 33 Stradale are being produced. That number isn't random. It directly connects the modern car to the legendary 33 name and the original, Alfa Romeo 33 Stradale. And Alfa Romeo isn't treating these 33 cars like ordinary mass-produced vehicles. Each one is intended to be highly personalized, with an artisan approach that makes every example feel more like a piece of automotive art than simply another car. There is also a fascinating choice hidden beneath the bodywork. Alfa Romeo announced the 33 Stradale with two powertrain possibilities: the twin-turbo V6 petrol version with more than 620 horsepower, and a fully electric version with more than 750 horsepower and an estimated ULTP range of around 450 kilometers. So the 33 Stradale represents two different futures at the same time. One, celebrating the sound and character of a combustion V6, and another embracing electric performance. And that is what makes this car so interesting. It isn't trying to compete simply by having the biggest horsepower number or the most complicated technology. Instead, Alfa Romeo is trying to create an emotional connection between the driver and the machine. Look at the proportions, and you see the 1960s. Look at the carbon fiber, construction and active suspension, and you're looking at modern performance engineering. Listen to the V6, and you're reminded why enthusiasts still love combustion engines. Step inside, and you get a cockpit designed around the person behind the wheel. The result is a car that feels like a bridge between Alfa Romeo's racing heritage and its future. And perhaps that's the most important thing to understand about the 33 Stradale. This isn't supposed to be an everyday sports car that you see on every street corner. With only 33 examples, it is deliberately exclusive. It is a modern collector's machine, created for people who want something far beyond ordinary performance. From its 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 and over 620 horsepower to its sub-3-second acceleration, 333 km/h top speed, carbon fiber structure, active suspension, carbon ceramic brakes, and unmistakable Italian design, almost every part of the 33 Stradale has been created around one idea: emotion. And when you look at this car moving through a road, like the one you're seeing right now, you can understand why. Some cars are built to transport you. Some are built to impress you. But a car like the Alfa Romeo 33 Stradale is built to make you stop. Look, listen, and remember. Only 33 will exist. And that's exactly why this red Italian masterpiece could become one of the most memorable Alfa Romeos of the modern era. If you had the chance to choose just one, the roaring twin-turbo V6 or the 750-plus horsepower electric version, which 33 Stradale would you take? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this deep look at one of Alfa Romeo's most extraordinary creations, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more incredible cars.